We got game 2.
No, not breaks. Like this is like these. It's like I know there's no level up. You gotta
hold the ball as hot. You gotta hold the ball.
No, honestly, like
Too hot.
I know. I'm gonna get like.
Ball, let's go. Ball. Marcus. Go, it's hot. Hell is hot, brother. He's telling me so. He just look. He just look. No.
No, I want that.
Easy, easy.
Yo, me and one of the nannies on the babysitter turning foul. Bro, we called game 7 and game 2. We were like, yo, this is 1-7. Oh, happy birthday.
You got 3 bases. Yeah, Ross. Yeah, Ross. What the heck?
Come on, Ali! Sarah, coming your way. No way! Good try. I'm stuck down.
Oh, SGA should not be at the the draft. Jets? I love so nasty. Your defense looks so nasty.
Way to go, Mike! Back, guys, get a room. Get a room. The very best is out there fielding that ball. No chance. Once he tracks it down, that's it. It's
Not
like a tomahawk. Huh?
Not necessarily.
He good. He's super good.
He's good. He ain't great.
I didn't get that far.
You got that in the video.
Didn't get that far.
I thought you showed them the trick. Yeah, have to. Yo, Mike, you missing again? Mike, thanks there, but I'm not gonna hit that. Love it, huh?
Yo, let's count some runs here. Oh, shit. I need to see line drive now.
Batting every time.
I need him to practicing now for tomorrow. Actually, play your game. They got some balls in the middle.
I said Facebook got his info. He's like, nah, he know when we be calling. The ball. Ball. Oh, yo.
You got no problem, bro.
Wait, where you going? Why you taking him down for home run?
Oh, go straight, man. Hold that. No.
No, you were supposed to be at third. Yeah, it's a home run. No, it's all play. It's all play. Came back in. They came back in.
John, you gotta go to the gym or something.
Oh, shit. Well, how do you know first? You didn't walk the face? God damn.
Now you got to pose to show him.
I can't, but I'm being legal about it.
Good job, good job.
Yo, Juan, I gotta go to the gym too.
So, sir, like that change, sir.
Oh!
Good hustle, good hustle. Made up for a little bit.
That was a deep ball. What's up, Sarah?
Who's on deck?
I need you big. Big hit right now. Get on.
There you go. was like, oh shit. I didn't get close to that. I'm like, yo, wait, why the fuck is he trying to tag me with the ball? Oh, you hurt. Nigga, I didn't even look, bro. Yeah, I fucking blinked and I didn't look.
Como que we got 0?
Yeah, water, something like that. Say something. Let's go.
Talk.
Keep it hot.
One up.
Good, Jay. Come. Get hot, people. Yeah, let's do something. Clap with your feet or something.
See that? Come here, talk to you, man. Where the money at?
That one is us.
Yeah,
Come on,
the zero.
let's go. Yeah. It's out of here. You don't use the rubber.
Yeah, if you don't like it, just throw away. Get to the other picture.
You like it raw.
Saying that Caprice?
Go, Bree. Make them run. Let them earn it.
JC ain't doing no batting practice in around, so I don't know.
Trust me.
Like I'll put it on you,
Way to go, Bree! Nice piece ahead, girl! Our girls hit better than us. Unbelievable, guys. Should be ashamed of yourselves. Not me. I've been hitting. Yeah. And Doobie. They been doing it.
Let's go, Doobie.
Let's go, Doobie! Oh, wow, they put it to him. He said, yes, that's the one I wanted. That's the one I wanted. I just gotta keep it in play now, otherwise I'll be sitting down on the bench. Nice. Force at second baseman, smart play, just tossing it easy to the sharp stop, cover second for the force out. And we got Martin Mena right now. He said he's gonna get a hit before he retires. He's putting his numbers for a big contract. He's waiting for the pitcher. Pitcher shows it to the catcher. He swings at him in the middle for the base hit. Takes a line drive, looking alive, the boy. Who's next? Next batter.
Cynthia.
China.
Cynthia.
It's China. Chinita is ready to swing the bat. Now there you go, Rose. Yeah, let him earn it. He needs to lose a few pounds.
Yo, one out.
Outside. Outside pitch for Cynthia. She's waiting for something better, nicer. I like that one. She hesitated. She knew it. Yeah, it was good. It was right there. It was right there. It was in the money. It was in the money pocket right there. There was a big bang waiting for it. There you go. Wow. Hey.
Where he at? His foot got there before that, Blue. Blue, you can't tell me his foot got there. Blue, he said just like this. You can't tell me the ball was there before him, Blue. Blue, it wasn't.
Force out. He said force out. He said force out.
Glasses, Blue.
It's a fourth out. He's not gonna say that. It's a fourth out.
Blue. Taking my catcher out. Got it.
Shit! Yeah, you got it, Jack. That's your boy.
I know, but you know, you gotta put a little show, so, you know, you gotta work every money as a coach, as a man. You gotta go with that. Yeah, come on. It's all.
What? Ready to get on?
Come on, Ross, hurry up.
I want you at third.
Oh, I was looking at Tyler. Left field. Get out of here, left field, go back.
You cheated!
Now let him play out. He gonna smoke his eye.
You know, you gotta be behind the road. Back it up, infield. Right, you gotta back up.
Get another one, you get another.
There you go, run it out, drop it back.
There's no rules for the elderly. Being on the slope, he gets on too.
Oh yeah. So Bluto. Let's go, Josh.
Where's my on-deck battle?
Right there, come on.
Oh, what am I thinking for?
Yeah, full count.
Look out! Yeah! Over his head!
Go.
Over his head!
All the way.
Josh, run! You're scoring, Josh. You're scoring, Josh. Easy, Josh. Easy. Attaboy! Hold on.
Nice.
Galante.
Wait. It's not baseball.
John, give me a like a I don't do that. Same swing. Very good. Put the gap. Go. Left center. Upfield. Gap. Our stick. It's not how we're looking for a stick. Yeah, we gotta lift heavier, bro. You hit that shit hard. It's Mike. It's Mike. It's Mike. You're the tallest person on their team. Gotta get snagged. Let's play Mike.
Half the time I don't even listen.
I'm gonna tickle my belly right now.
Half the time I don't even watch. I just listen to you.
Marcus, sit there. No.
Actually, yeah.
Oh,
I don't pay attention to the game.
Let's do it. I don't care. It's Marcus is batting righty. He's a switch hitter with power to both sides of the plate. And he's going right to hit it left. Look at that. I'm telling you that it is the man. Look at that speed. Speed on his legs and he was speeding on Sally's. Where are you going?
Adios, amigo.
¿Para dónde tú vas?
I know my daughter has out here.
Coño. Coño.
I gotta take her there.
What if we need you? Which we do. We have seen you. Okay, look at the guy with the hair. Look at the guy with the hair. He didn't have time to go to the beauty salon and do like a ponytail or something like that, braided or anything for the work. But nah, he wants to see that hair flashing like a flag. All right. He's like a, wow, nice piece of hitting. No chance for Josh to get it back on the bounce. Me? Wow, he said me.
Brian,
He said me with a chance to tie the game.
And now we got Efraim batting.
Damn. Yeah, that was gonna go all the way. I forgot that far. Play me on the other field over there, field number 1. Nice. Nice. That's what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna just hit a low line drive like that. I thought I was gonna get like a home run. That would have been gone in El Hoyo, yeah, and him in the field. And I like landed on 80th Street and the conduit. Tú supiste. Let's go, Ali. Ali hits it on third. Tap on third. Big throw, bat throw. They're gonna leave it to Mike. They don't wanna take chances. They don't wanna take no chances. Mike is gonna give it right for free. Our body's gonna need 2 Ubers. We're gonna call right now for the Uber to wait for the other Uber to run out of gas. And then take a bike from City Line. Yeah.
Jesus.
Again, I guess.
So
Mike is waiting. No, they waiting. They don't want to get in trouble because the one who's hitting next can also hit it that far. Mike is waiting for his pitch. That's like intentional. That's like an intentional walk. They don't want to say, but it's looking that way. Nothing close where he can. Yeah, we knew it. It was an intentional walk. They just didn't want to signal for, just like that. You didn't have the courage to say like, take the base. Yeah, look at that, Jason. Diaz. They're gonna walk Jason too. That's how good he is. They fear the guy with the Durag. Anybody who wears a Durag is fearless. Yep. He got number 2, strike 2 and 2. Jason Diaz. The slugger. Everybody looking far away. Yeah, beautiful. He waited for the one and they gave it to him. He was waiting for that one. They stepped it on the platter. Take it. And he did. Huh? Wow. That was
atrás de todo el mundo. Tiene la mentalidad de coger base nada más.
No, Sarah says she want to swing, cuz.
That's it?
Yeah.
Make sure you get your seconds. Hey! Run away, dog. Keep running. Keep running.
Oh, yeah. Good job. It don't feel like water.
What happened?
What did it look like?
They look like water.
Not in this because I made her with the nerve. She think I made her red.
Right.
She's only going to get first base.
Right.
She automatically
That's
gets
on
second
them.
ball.
That's on them.
Oh, shit.
Take your time, good.
Oh, shit. Fuck. Yeah, I didn't hear all that shit.
I was like, wait.
The man of the being on the side.
Let's go, Destiny.
Go to first.
Who's next? Who's after? Come on, bring them home. Bring them home.
Get up the back.
Over here. Bring them home. How many out? No out.
One out.
No out.
One out.
Where?
One struck out.
I ain't striked out shit.
Rewind.
To the seat.
No, yo. Va él y después voy yo.
Oh, shit. Yeah, fair ball. Home, home.
Yo, Vinny.
My bad, son. My bad, son.
I ain't even
You
hear
don't,
you.
because I need that ball when I'm at third.
My bad, son.
I'm hurt now.
So freeze, move it. Archer, you in the hole.
That might be this.
Same exact bat, it's just different the way it's
Shit right there.
I'm crying.
Put the shit right back.
Hey, start it off for us again. We chasing two.
Go, guys. I know you can't do it.
Yeah, same exact bat.
Okay.
Body better than the line of coming up. They've been on base all full
Yo,
time.
listen. Until you hear Blue say dead fucking ball, everything's alive in this shit, bro.
Yep. Run it.
I don't want it there.
It's still a cone. How hard is that?
You don't go like this all day, man.
Yeah, but that's supposed to be there.
Marcus, chill.
He don't want it. I gotta keep doing this shit every finish.
That's supposed to be there.
Fucking
That's-
solve it. Damn. Come on. Fucking ridiculous.
I'm going to solve the match.
Yeah, that's supposed to be over there. It is supposed. If it doesn't want a pitch over there, they gotta bring a new pitcher. That's it. Coming down.
No. Not that serious. You know you having fun.
What do they do when it is like a piece of wood that they have to pitch from the piece of wood?
Y'all want to play or not? Do you want to play or not? Now you fucking with me. Put it behind you. Put it behind you. Put it behind you. Put it behind you. All right there.
Check that, let me know.
Have some fun, bro. Saturday.
Danny, don't change the strike call.
Have fun, bro.
It's supposed to pitch from the rock. That's why they have those things. Yeah. Get lucky if they don't make you pitch through the top of it. Can't pitch from there. They gotta bring somebody else to pitch. That's a nice pitch to Ed, but they're waiting for her.
Say now, David.
Go, Doobie. Late. 3 balls, 1 strike for Doobie. He's waiting for something like that. Beautiful. Full count. Full count for Doobie. Doobie's waiting again. Nice. They far away, but they can run. These kids are so athletic. 2 outs.
Audrey on deck.
Martin Mena hit a line drive through the middle on his first at bat in the second game. Does it again. He's gonna do a flip. This guy, unbelievable.
Yo, bro, they shit on the Father's Day. People just get a baby school like this.
Yeah.
Who's here?
Let's go, D. Wendy Edwin. Female on deck. Vincent. Female on deck.
Yo, you let me know. This shit terrible, right? That look fell, right? Nah, that's what we got to have. Say she wanted to say it. She's too nice. She's too nice. She's too nice. She's too nice. So I'm wearing a hat. Oh! Ooh! Yeah. Check him out. I'm going to get a haircut. Yeah, nah, she was like, yo, she see me out back at the crib by 11:30.
I drop it.
It has to be a strike and half one.
Big man on deck.
Shot.
Where?
He was looking.
He was behind me.
He was looking.
Too hard, no loud for it, man.
Nah, I would have did the same, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
That's the same ball.
You better not argue with a ball to the strike.
Get that one, Mike. Get that one. Get that one, Mike.
Can you run for me?
She hit it too hard. She hit it too hard. Edwin.
I'm not gonna lie, you don't do I'm doing it, so yeah, you want to swing it and
Good.
Yeah!
It's in there! It's in there!
Foul, foul! Foul ball, foul ball!
Watch it.
Hey! Go!
You hear me?
Set the ball. You go to the gym, that'll hurt.
Got it.
Hit the ball, that shit
Same thing.
Keep going in.
One.
Can I see that when you're done? Take your time. You good? Take your time. Take my time. That's what I thought.
Stop. You heard that?
I'm a little left.
Yo! You friends with him?
Audrey, Marcus, JC. Top of the lineup.
Are you good? I'll let her drop some. Yes, sir. Go to our day.
Leave it on the chair.
Josh, go to our day.
Yo, who's smoking?
I was like, I'm not sliding.
Yo, Joe, who's smoking? Hey, yo, that tired? I'm tired. I'm not tired. Huh? Fucking, you like some baseball out there throwing the ball in the nose. You like some baseball, y'all. You're not having no fucking fun today. Nobody's having fun today. Let's play fucking softball, y'all. Fucking live ball.
I am. I don't know if you gave it up, but I'm not giving up until the end of the game is won. Officer.
Only chasing 5. Garrett, you ready?
I know.
We're scoring 6 right now.
Go 6 runs right now.
6 runs right now. Nothing less than that. Let's go, Audrey. You started. There you go, Audrey. He can catch that. Yes, he can. Can he throw? Yes, he can.
I like that swing.
Will he catch the next one? I doubt it.
I like the swing. Hey, let's go help the cause out, Marcus. No.
Marcus. 1 for 1.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. We'll talk to you, Marcus. Can't play with us.
He do it with his stick.
Come back. We foul 2-2. Hey, let's go. We know what you're doing. Let's go.
2 and 2, gotta keep it in play.
Johnny! Where you go?
2 and 2 for Marcus, 1 out. And this is the 5th inning. Top of the 5. Top of the 5 for Marcus. Foul tip and he's out. 2 down. KZ. It's coming to keep it alive. Let's go, Jay. He's ready for the feature. Nice. Nice. That's not a roll. You better make it a home run. Come on, leave.
You're up, you're up.
Yo, can we beat him? One shot. Wait, can we beat him?
Yes. Woo! Ryan, you got this.
Nah, play second ball. Play your game, man. Go to the whip, Jay. Somebody take third base. Somebody take third.
Don't add that extra rise. Sit, little head, keep it going.
He said he's going to hit like that. He said he's going to hit like that.
Catch it up.
Yes.
Go one there, one there.
What? No, he's supposed to win.
Come on, Ray. Come on, Ray. Ray. I got it. Go, Ray.
2-1. I see you, Bob. I see you.
You're moving towards it. Start back up. You're getting right back on the
Full count.
All right. Come on, Russ.
So bravo.
We're gonna end up taking the ball off of Vinny's face. Every time we do that, I'm like, yep, there goes Vinny's face. You can't stop what you're doing. You gotta go.
You're going down, going down.
Nice to see you right there.
What is that?
Here we go.
You heard? Female on that.
Linda, you can try to act like you want to catch the ball.
Me?
Jump.
Why? Ain't no action happening over there.
Nothing actually, you just look at it.
It's too far from me. The flag is faster than me.
No. Salon, you bought the bed? Salon, you bought the bed? I got $5 You think I go home like
It's because you didn't flinch. It's because you didn't flinch.
Oh, you're supposed to get down. Yo, double. I'm gonna have no balls and no knees.
Hey, you gonna earn your money today. You gonna make sure. Yeah. That's true. That's why you get some.
Top 6. What's for the first one? 9-3, 9-4? All the time.
Come on, guys, who's that? Let's go 5 rounds over here so they can burn.
Oh!